What is up, guys? Froadin Boyz coming back at you again after 2 long months without a video. Just wanted to do a little, update since our last vlog. Just gonna head out to the garage really quick, sit next to the ZX, and we'll talk. Alright guys, we are out in the garage, sitting next to the mean ZX10. But I just wanted to make it, actually it's kind of dark in here, hold up. I just kind of wanted to make a quick update video. It's been crazy. Life has been happening, and I've been noticing, I've been checking up on the YouTube channel and everything, and God, the freaking light. There we go. We've gotten about 500 subscribers in the last 2 months. A lot more views. We're approaching 200,000 total views on the channel. So people, I'm sorry, this light's not going to cooperate. But we're getting more subs. I haven't done anything to the ZX10. I moved out with a roommate for a job that was in a different county than where I'm from. So I moved out, started working the job, and I just didn't have any time at all. I wasn't even really riding. I mean, the ZX10 just sat there. The Husky, I blew up the Husky, and it's been in the shop for 6 months now at this point. So I haven't been doing a lot of riding. I'm sure you guys know the wheelie connoisseur, Maxwell. He went back to school out of state. Warren's got a job too. He hasn't really been riding. Cole's going to school still, so he's not been, he's been riding, but mainly just on weekends, and I've been working. So it's just been a really busy time, and I want to welcome all like 500 of you guys that recently subscribed. I hope you're enjoying the content that we do have up on the channel, and I wanted to let you guys know that we're going to start working really hard to get more content on the YouTube channel. I just got my tax return actually today, and we ordered some new stuff for the old ZX10. So we're finally gonna get to doing some upgrades and stuff that I've been wanting to do for a very long time. Actually, ever since I got this, when I was sitting on the showroom floor, I knew like, oh, I want to do this, I want to do this, I want to do this. But I just, with paying rent and buying my own food and stuff, moving out on my own, it was it wasn't gonna happen out there. But got a new job, moved back home, and it's looking up. As far as the YouTube channel goes, looking like I'll have more time. Looking like I'll be able to get videos out regularly, and with your guys' support, it makes me want to make videos more. Obviously YouTube released their new policies where you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months for you to be able to generate ad revenue. And that's never really been a thing on this channel, just because we're so small, we make pennies, but we do want to get to that 1,000 subscriber mark, just so you guys know, when you go riding, you got gas costs, you got track fees, you got stuff breaks all the time, you got maintenance, oil changes, air filter changes. So I'm looking at getting another dirt bike here soon. We're gonna start back up on the vlogging, going out in the desert, shooting guns, riding dirt bikes, all that kind of stuff. I'd love to hear your guys' feedback, what you guys want to see from us. The ZX10, she's not going anywhere, so we're gonna start doing upgrades to that. We're gonna do probably kind of similar to what Jake the Garden Snake did, where we do like a bolt shit on series, where we're gonna just clean up the look of the ZX10 a little bit. We're gonna do that with the help of Warren, Cole, Maxwell when he comes back. So it's I got parts on the way, they're in the mail, so things are looking up. I just wanted to make a little update video just because it's been 2 months since I've uploaded. It's been quite a long time. I feel like I haven't made a video for a really long time. So yeah, I just wanted to really say thank you to everybody who's subscribed in the past 2 months. I hope you're enjoying our content, and if you have any comments, suggestions, positive or negative, let us know. We like to respond to people. We want to talk to you guys. We want to do stuff that you guys want to see. That's one thing that's hard, is coming up with content that people want to see and that we want to do, quite frankly. We just love riding and everything that's with riding and all that kind of stuff. But your suggestions will really help for the channel. So that's about it, guys. We will see you in a little bit once we get the parts for the ZX10. We're gonna start bolting those on, and she's gonna start looking better. She's gonna be faster, and we'll get the vlog camera out and we'll start vlogging again. So that's it for today, guys. We'll see you later.